There's no place like home. Home is where the heart is. Your home is your castle. We've heard all the quotes, and chances are you've longed for a home you can call your own long enough. Park Square Homes knows how you feel, and the best news of all is that you don't have to have the budget for a castle to own your own dream home right here in Central Florida.
Park Square Homes is a third-generation family-owned company based here in Orlando, Florida. We've been around for 35 years and are one of the largest minority-owned businesses here in Orlando. Our motto at Park Square Homes is built for family by family. And we build homes for all families here at Park Square, homes ranging from $200,000 up to $1 million.
Let's do the math. That means you could own a beautiful home like this for what you probably pay in rent. Not sure what to expect as a first-time homebuyer? Park Square's new home roadmap makes it easy.
You know, a lot of people, this is their first investment. It's a huge investment, and they're a little nervous, and they want to know what the future holds. What are the steps along the way? So we've created a handy-dandy roadmap, and this roadmap is really cool because it tells them you are here, and here's where you're going to end up, and here are the steps along the way. And it's clever, it's fun, and a lot of people, they're visual, and they want to see every step of the way, so we have this nice format. We have an app that is proprietary to Park Square Homes. It is a communication vehicle that we use to communicate every day, every week with our customers. We send them pictures through this buyer's portal, and they can view the pictures, they can ask questions. It's a great communication back and forth between everybody at Park Square Homes and our valued customer. Quality in a new home is everything.
Come over and see what we mean. Our drop zone is perfect for when you come home. You can drop your shoes and your bags as you enter the home. We have a flex room, so you can use it as a study or as a kid's den. And here upstairs, we have a secondary space for families to gather. As part of our smart home package, we have a Skybell doorbell, which allows you to see who's at your front door anywhere in the world.
But Park Square isn't just about building homes. They're building communities and neighborhoods.
As Central Florida's hometown builder, we care more about Main Street than Wall Street. We support many different organizations throughout Central Florida and around the world. One organization we support on an annual basis here in Orlando is Habitat for Humanity. We participate in the Builder Blitz, where we build a home for a family in less than 5 days.
So whether you're looking for your starter home, your castle, or anything in between, Park Square Homes is ready to welcome you.
Come on in. Welcome home.
To find out more about how Park Square Homes can help you achieve the American dream of home ownership, visit parksquarehomes.com and designingspaces.tv.